Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video here I'm going to show you how to transfer your assets from KuCoin to Gateio. Alright, so obviously you have your accounts on both platforms, so let's get started on how to transfer and withdraw from KuCoin and deposit on Gateio. Alright, so go to assets and main account, deposit and withdraw. So here where you get to select the coin that you want to transfer. If you don't find it in here, scrolling down, just type in the name of it. For example, it's Dono USDT, and here it appears. Click on withdraw. Alright, so as you can see, now we've selected the coin, but if you notice this main account available, it means 0 USDT. Alright, even though as you can see I have this much here, it doesn't appear in here. Why? Because this amount that I have, it's on the trading account. Alright, so depending on what account you've got your assets at, you can just get to transfer and transfer them to the main account, because as you can see, if we got two assets, it's the only one, the main account, that has deposit and withdraw. Alright, so if you already have your assets on the main account, it will appear in here easily, but if it's on the other accounts, it's super easy to transfer instantly and with 0 fees. Okay, just click on transfer, go to the account that you have your assets at. For example, there are all these. Okay, choose the one that you want to transfer from and select here the main account, of course. Okay, and of course the coin, it's already selected. If not, just type in the name of the coin, and here is the amount. Click and confirm. Right now it's successfully done, and here it appears in here. Okay, so now click on I have read and fully understood the risk. So now that we have the amount that we got, now we're going to the next steps. Alright, so here is the wallet address that we will be getting from Gateio, but first we need to see what networks are available here. Alright, and to choose what network that we will be using. Okay, because we need to select the same network on both platforms. Alright, and to select one of them, we need to know if it's available on both platforms, as well as which is good for us, and that means the one with lower fees. Okay, so if we get to here, we can see these are the available ones, and of course depending on each coin you can see different networks. Okay, and how to get and see which one is having lower fees, just click on each one of them and check the fees. As you can see, ARC20 is Ethereum's network and it's always with high fees, so choose another one. This one, it's 1 USDT. KCC, it's 0.1 USDT. Algorand as well. EOS 1 USDT. So here we know which are the lowest fees in here. That will be costing us lowest fees is KCC and Algorand. Alright, for KCC it's KuCoin's network, and I doubt that it will be available on any other platform, but just now that we've seen these are the two that are with the lowest fees and the ones that we'll be using, just select whichever that you want right now. But let's now head to the other platform and see if those two networks are available, and to get the wallet address of it to send our assets to. Alright, now that we are on Gateio, go to wallet and deposit. Here we are, so go to the coin and select the coin that you want to, of course, transfer from KuCoin. Okay, if you don't see it, as always, just type in the name of it and select it. Alright, as for us here, we are going to use USDT and it's already selected, and here is the networks or the chains. Alright, and as you can see, the two networks that we've seen on KuCoin are KCC and Algorand. Alright, so there isn't KCC in here. Alright, and the other one is Algorand with the lowest fees as well. Okay, as for TRC, it's 1 USDT. For other coins, TRC might be the one with the lowest fees, but in this case here it's Algorand, so choose Algorand. So depending on each coin that you're trying to transfer, you might see another network with lower fees than this, with just like some cents and lower than this. Okay, so if you find that depending on the coin that you want to transfer, just select that. All right, so let's head back to here and select Algorand and copy the address and head back to here and paste it. Alright, now select the amount that you want to withdraw and transfer from KuCoin by just typing the amount manually, or you can click on max. I just have low funds, that's why it doesn't appear, but if you have like an amount that can be selected, you can just click in here and it will automatically put in the whole amount that you've got on your account of USDT or that coin that you want to send. Okay, so that's it. Then click confirm and it will take 15 to 20 minutes to appear on your account here by going to wallet and spot account, and you'll find your assets have arrived in here. All right, so that's it. Super easy and simple. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.